Welcome to the San Mateo Colleges of Silicon Valley. This video will walk you step by step through the application process. There is no application fee. First, open Google and search for SMCSV International. Click the first result, San Mateo Colleges of Silicon Valley. Once you're on the website, click Apply Now under the section called Your Bridge to Top Universities. You will be taken to the applicant login page. If you are a new user, click New User at the bottom of the page and create your username and password. If you already have an account, simply log in. After creating your account, return to the login page and sign in. Once you're logged in, click My Profile to begin your application. You will be asked to complete several sections, including your personal information, academic history, English proficiency, financial information, and additional details. If you are applying through an agent, be sure to complete the agent information section. You will also be asked how you heard about us to upload your required documents. Before submitting, please review your application carefully. When you're ready, sign in the signature box and click Submit. Our International Student Admissions team will review your application after submission. The review process usually takes 5 to 7 business days. If you have any questions along the way, we're here to help. Thank you for applying, and we look forward to welcoming you.